Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we got another Aperitivo cocktail coming for you. This one's made with Campari. It's made with Italicus, it's made with blood orange juice, it's made with rose water, soda water, tonic water. This is the Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 2. All right, so this cocktail, I've been making it for a while. I've been making it at brunches. It's a great little brunch cocktail, great way to start your day. And if you're working the brunch shift, it's not a bad way to start your day with a little safety meeting in one of these Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 2s. This cocktail is kind of based off the Garibaldi, so kind of a riff on that, which is a traditional aperitivo cocktail with just equal parts Campari and orange juice shaken up. Pretty simple. So this has just a little more layers to it, adds a little more complexity, and changes it up a little bit, adds a little bit of bubbles and fizz. That being said, we got just a little bit of prep work we gotta do. We gotta juice some of these blood oranges here. You can buy orange juice or blood orange juice or cara juice, tangerine juice, try to mix it up. Although the blood orange I think is kind of cool, and juicing it fresh just makes it a lot much better. So, let's go ahead and jump into the prep work. Let's juice up these blood oranges. All right, obviously to start, I'm gonna have to have these babies up. Make sure you save one blood orange. You can get a couple slices for garnishing. Other than that though, cut away and juice away everything you need. Beautiful little blood oranges. Boom. So these are too big for my little juicer. I should probably get a little press juicer. That'd probably be wise. I just don't have one. Throw the discards in my pot here since I don't need it. Just a side note, usually about like 15 oranges, give or take. These are a little smaller, but usually about 15 oranges will get you a quart of orange juice. Yeah. All right, that is probably more than I need to make this one cocktail. Let's go ahead and double strain this just like your lime and your lemon. All your citrus juice, if you're juicing it fresh, you should be double strained so you get rid of that pulp. Gives it a little smoother consistency in your cocktail. Pulp. Boom. And number 2. Go ahead and label and date it, although we might go through all this for our cocktail, but all right, there it is, guys, our blood orange juice. And remember, guys, shelf life on your orange and grapefruit juice is 3 days. You throw it out on the 4th day because it has a lower acidity than lime and lemon, so it lasts just like a day longer. All right, guys, and that was it for the prep work, right? Super easy, just some juice. We got our blood orange juice here in this cheater bottle. Everything else is ready to go. We got our garnishes. Let's jump into making the Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 2. So, this is a shaken cocktail. First thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. And we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. All right, so working cheapest to most expensive ingredients. We will start with our 3 dashes of rose water, 1.5 ounces of blood orange juice, 1/4 ounce of Italicus, and our 1.5 ounces of Campari. Ice stack glassware. I know that's not the clear ice, guys. I've been lazy about that, but if you want to learn to make the clear ice, check out my clear ice video in the Bar Essentials playlist. Ice stash, shaker tin all the way to the top. Sealer up, shake for 12 seconds. Hawthorne strainer, basket strainer. And let's double strain. Soda water, tonic water, little 50-50. Fill her up, bar spoon. Give this a nice little stir. And for garnish, place that little blood orange wheel in there, little half blood orange wheel. And there it is, guys, Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 2. Let's taste. Just straight orange on the nose. Yeah. You know, such a nice bitter profile right off the bat. Just wonderful for an aperitivo cocktail because it kind of just refreshes your palate, gives you something to start from scratch before you go into eating. we start brunch, something heavy, whatever. Campari comes through, nice, beautiful, bitter orange. You get a subtle sweetness and tartness from that blood orange. Then the Italicus and the rose water brings in a little bit of that floral note, which is just beautiful pairing with orange, I think. That little 50-50 split of club soda and tonic, just, it brings in the bubbles and adds in just that, like that touch of sweetness from the tonic. It's perfect. Another crushable little patio banger here. Perfect, simple, little riff on the Garibaldi. There it is, guys, the Happiness Bar Aperitivo #2. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down to save for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole is the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Get you ready for the weekend. Whew. That was a mouthful. Stay happy, everyone.